welcome back to CJR Shop. I just want to show you this little Titan set I got from Screwfix. So this is not a paid ad, this is me spending my own money on tools for my toolbox. Right, so over here you've got the bit holder. It's actually really good quality. I was quite surprised, I think this cost £10. You've got slide back, and then that locks that in there. So let's just look at the case quick. So this is a nice durable case. You've got a little hook there if you want to hook that on, put a screw on the wall. So this is dirty, look. This rattles around in my toolbox and it's still fine. So you get a 13, 10, 8, 7 and 6mm. Not too bad. So there's your little converter. And then you get this little tiny ratchet. It's actually pretty decent. Switch it over. Okay, and then you can stick your, and you can do it via hand or if you want some leverage. I mean, I use this for doing small jobs. You know, you can use it on the car if you want, or you can use it for changing lights, nuts and bolts. I mean, you get quite a few bits with this set actually. All clicks in the moulded case. 20 bits in this little set for £10. So really you can't go wrong. So that was from Screwfix, and I really recommend this little set. 27 piece ratchet screwdriver bit set. Mini ratchet. Titan. Highly recommended.